When art and engineering combine, they often spawn a machine so exclusive that its very existence is questioned right until the moment it is unleashed upon the world. Ladies and gentlemen, you are about to witness one such moment in this video from the Biker Crew UAE.
Aprilia, in association with Society Motors, is proud to present the RSV4 X.
This is the Aprilia RSV4 X.
3, 2, 1, go!
Exquisitely crafted using carbon fiber and titanium, this is a track-specific machine. Cranking out 225 horsepower and weighing a mere 165 kilograms, it is blisteringly fast and extremely agile.
There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Tuned to perfection using experience gleaned from years of World Superbike and MotoGP racing. Built with input from the great Max Biaggi, this is number 7 of only 10 bikes on the planet. Lucky number 7 will be at auction in the very near future. So forget limited editions. It's time to get exclusive.
You have now joined the ranks of people lucky enough to witness such a moment. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. As always, ride safe and I'll see you on the road.